The town square pulses with festive energy, Christmas lights casting a warm glow on joyous families. Carolers' voices rise in harmony, their songs echoing through the crisp night air. A towering Christmas tree pierces the night sky, its twinkling lights a beacon of cheer. Amidst the merriment, Elijah walks alone, his shoulders slumped under the weight of sadness. Elijah becomes an island of isolation in a sea of festive cheer, his face etched with a profound sadness. In the warm glow of the coffee shop, Elijah sits alone, lost in thought. The air is thick with the comforting scents of cinnamon and pine. Chloe notices Elijah's somber expression and approaches him, her smile a beacon of warmth. She pauses, her presence a gentle invitation. "Mind if I join you? You look like you could use some company." Elijah lifts his head, a flicker of surprise crossing his face at Chloe's offer. Elijah and Chloe stroll through the town square, now draped in an ethereal glow. They share stories and laughter, their voices echoing softly in the night. "It's not about the presents, it's about presence," Elijah says, his words hanging in the crisp air. Beneath the towering Christmas tree, a quiet sense of peace settles over them. They find solace in each other's company, their spirits intertwined. In a moment of serene reflection, the world around them fades away.